Hi, this is how to add a job site to your Bluehound account. So typically you would start by logging in and coming to this homepage, and we're going to scroll down to job sites. So you can see I already have one job site right here. This is the Mount Bosch Prospect location. And I don't have any geofencing on it right now. Just because I can see it, I'll show you how to geofence first. So what you're going to do when you're geofencing is you're going to click edit right here. And we're going to have to come into our warehouse. So we are located right here. This is where we are. So to add the geofencing, what you're going to do is you're going to hit edit. And then you're going to click the spot where you want to start your geofencing. So I'm going to start here. This is the little pin is my start. I'll go here, 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 and then to close your fence, you just click the original dot you started with. And there we go. We got our geofencing. And we're just going to hit save. Hit save. Oh, okay. And I refreshed it, and here is our geofence now. So now we can see within this region if our tools are going outside of our job sites. So if we're going to add a new job site, what we're going to do is we're going to hit this plus button. We're going to do job site name. So let's just pretend it's job site 2. How original. We'll just say job site 2. We'll add our address in. So let's pretend it is, let's see, what's a good address? Let's do another pretend address. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretend lane. Pretend in Illinois, 60084. Address line, USA. You don't have to put in that address line if you don't want to. We'll hit save. And here is our second job site. And this is taking us, this is pretend land, I guess. So we'll just pretend this is where we want our job site. So then if we want to add a geofencing, we can do that again. Or if we want to edit it, we can hit edit job site and we can change any of these parameters. If you want to delete the job site, you can hit delete job site right here. Delete. It's no longer in our Bluehound account now. And if we wanted to assign a foreman to our job site as well, that we have already we want to add a foreman that we already have in our employees, then we will go here and we will choose a foreman. We have a Bosch foreman, so we'll put him there. If you want to assign somebody new, you have to go upload an employee and then come back to this screen. So now we have a foreman for our job site, we have our geofencing, and that is pretty much it. If we want to print our job sites, if we had multiple of them, you hit print. And if you want to see the available job sites, well, actually, no, that doesn't apply here. If you want to sort them, again, here's the sort button. And that is pretty much it for job sites.